If you try to learn a particular skill or want to acquire a particular thing, maybe it's a certification or it's a job or achieve anything in life, and if you're not getting it, I think I may know why that is. And the reason, simple reason is, first of all, you don't have a very specific goal. And when I say specific goal, I mean is a SMART goal, which is specific, measurable, realistic, and it's achievable and time bound as well. This is what I'm going to cover. And by end of this video, if you follow what I'm going to say, I'm 100% confident you'll achieve that. But as long as you follow these and don't make mistakes of these. Hey, if you're new to this and if you're watching me first time, my name is Atul. Whatever I'm going to talk about today, I've myself particularly implemented it and achieved it. And make sure that I'm going to talk and explain to you that uh, the mistakes which I did and how I overcame them and how to make sure that you don't achieve the mistakes which I'm talking about. Now, to give you some context behind that, I run a very I run a community which is on helping IT professionals to move into AI, data, cloud, machine learning, all the skills that are required. And on that community, we ask the first question is about what do you want to achieve from this community? And the answers which I get is very, very vague. I want to become an expert. I want to learn AI. I want to do this. I want to get a job, but it's not very specific. And if you're one of them, if you answered this question, that's what I'm trying to answer as well to give you some context. And if you want that, this is the community which I was talking about, k20academy.com/AI community. And in that, when you join, and this is the video which I'm going to talk about, below this video, I'm going to post the question. This particular question, this is where I'm recording this video, and this is where the video will go. And if you need a very specific help, I'll tell you as well how you can get help of that as well in that. So first and most important is the goal you make is not very specific or smart. And what I mean by smart is it should be specific, and specific in terms of, for example, hey, I want to clear my Azure AI certification or AWS AI certification or machine learning certification, or by so very specific, or I want to get a job on this. It should be very, very specific, first of all. Second thing, it should be measurable, which means you should be able to say this, whether I've achieved it or not achieved it. So by end of whatever time you specify, which I'm going to cover, that's the next point, it should be measurable as well. And then third is it should be achievable. And with what my achievable is, it should not be that it's a too complex thing, and which you just made it for the sake of making it, and you don't believe that you should be able to achieve that as well. So achievable. So for example, um, it's once you give your 100%, will you be able to achieve that? That's what is achievable means. It should also be relevant, which means relevant to you, your mission, what and you enjoy by doing, or once you achieve it, you're going to enjoy that as well. So it's relevant as well. And the most important is it should be time bound. Time bound means within 30 days, within 90 days. And I run this I someone suggested, or in fact, I had a coach who suggested me this book called a 12-week year, which is 90 days. So I run my all the tasks within 90-day cycle. And if you're really serious about building this a particular skill or whatever you want to go or achieve your goal, write down a goal which is very specific. So to give an example, I want to achieve a job in this particular domain, having by this time, by earning this much of salary that I do. Sorry for that. So I want to achieve this particular thing as well here. So next time you create a goal, be your goal like that. And if you really, and another most important thing which I learned was that you announce that goal and then write down that goal and read it every day in the morning, and make sure that every day you take some step as well. I'm going to go deeper into this. I want to keep it within under 5 minutes, these short, crispy videos. If you're interested to make yourself accountable for these tasks, write down and another. The most important thing is the mistakes part as well. So first, even if you follow the SMART goals, the other mistake is creating more than one goal. Try to limit that goal with one goal at a time and just focus and give you 100%, and you have much better chances of success of achieving that goal. Also limited within 90 days, which is a 12-week, the cycle which I've found have worked me for a number of years now as well. And then of course, third one is most important is SMART goal, which I've already mentioned. And if you want to make us accountable, below this video, under the comment section or wherever you watch this, I'm going to give this URL on which is going to be this particular video. Write down and immediately after this video, come to this, join this community, and below this video, write down a very specific goal which you want. Maybe say, I want to get a job on by this time in this country on this salary, and every day I'm going to give you and make you accountable. Others will make you accountable. Post comment on that thread, or maybe you want to do say, I want to do this certification and so and so. And the result, and if we work towards every day, you'll get guaranteed result as well. So do let me know your comments below that, what your goal is. And if you're already in this community, make sure you leave a comment so I can work and help you in achieving that goal. My goal, it's a big bold move, which I'm going to write as well. A little bit nervous on, but let me write it down below this video what my goal is, which I'm aiming towards on this. So let me know what you thought, and I'll see you in another video. Take care and bye for now.